Hello everyone. So friends, in this section of course, we will be looking into how to create mocks using annotations. So as we discussed in our previous lectures, that one of the benefit of Mockito is that it provides annotation support. So friends, let's go to IntelliJ and see how we can use the annotations to create the mocks. So friends, here you can see that in this project we have configured Mockito with JUnit Jupyter, which is nothing but JUnit 5. So first we will see the demonstration of how we can create mocks and use the annotations with JUnit 5, and then we will see that how we can create mocks and use annotation support in JUnit 4. So here if you see, here I will be creating one package com.hubberspot.mockito.annotations.support. And also friend, as we want to demonstrate how we can create mocks using annotations, I will be using one of the example which we already discussed in our previous lecture. So here we want to test book service class. So this is our class under test. It is dependent on book repository. And there is one method which we want to test, is that get new books with applied discount. So this stuff we have already discussed in our previous lecture, that how we can find the new books and then we simply apply the discount rate which we have passed into this method. So here I will simply copy these three classes and I will paste it here. So we have one book class, a interface book repository which has one method find new books, and we provide the days. And this book repository in real world basically goes to database. When find new books method is called, it queries based on the days. Let's say if we want the new books which are released in past 7 days, we can provide the number of days here and it will query it from the database, and it will simply return the list of books. And book service class will simply use these new books, apply the discount on the new books, and simply return the list of books from the service layer. So friends, now we will test this stuff by creating the mocks using annotations. So here in our test folder, I will be creating the same package. And here I will be creating one class. So this would be our test class. Let's say I give a name to it as annotations test. And here I create a test method. Let's say I give the test method name as demo create mocks using annotations. So friends, in our previous lecture we already created a test which tested our book service get new books with applied discount method. So here what we did was we first created the mock of book repository, then we used this mock in the book service, and here we created 2 books and we added it to the list of books. So why we added these 2 books into the list of books is that because book repository implementation is not there in place, and if you want to test book service we require a book repository. So we simply created a mock object of book repository and we told Mockito that when book repository dot find new books is called, let's say with days as 7, then simply return these new books. So this is our test data. And when we call book service get new books with applied discount by providing the discount rate as 10 and 7, it returned us back the new books with applied discount. So in the last step we provided the asserts and we tested that whatever the new discount was applied on the books was verified using this assert equals. So friends, I will simply copy this test, and if you want to learn more about what we did here, you can watch my previous lectures. So I will be simply reusing it here. So friends, if I run the test case now, so here you can see the test case ran successfully. So friends, here the only difference now we will do is we used the static mock method to create the mock of book repository. Now instead of that, Mockito also provide an annotation to create a mock. So the annotation is @mock, and it is present in org.mockito package. So this annotation is applied over the classes which we want to mock. So here, as we want to mock book repository, what we'll do, we'll simply create an instance variable here, and that's it. Our mock is ready. So now we can remove this line. So this is one of the annotation which Mockito provides to create the mocks. Now friends, if I run the test case, you will see a strange behavior, that our test case failed. And if you see, it failed at line number 30, which is this line. So here it actually used mock and it gave a null pointer exception. So why it gave a null pointer exception is because, so we have created the mock using @mock, but there is no way to tell Mockito that when you are running this class and when you are running this test, please use this mock as our mock dependency. So friends, in our next lecture we will see that how we can tell Mockito that what to do with @mock, and how Mockito can come to know that this is the mock created using @mock annotation. So friends, I hope you like this video. Thanks, have a nice day.